Manufacturing industry is the foundation, the channel, and the essence of a prosperous country. As the most important component of manufacturing industry, the concrete construction machinery is faced with great challenges and opportunities of survival and development on the way from made in China to created in China. As one of the rising forces in the traditional industry, JIUHE Heavy Industry has been through storms and hardships since the foundation and has become the dark horse in the concrete construction machinery industry, making a huge difference in the inherent structure. Currently, it possesses 3 major manufacturing bases, with the overall area being over 300,000 square meters and the plant area being over 100,000 square meters, including the headquarters, the pump truck base, and the mixer truck base. The products over many fields, including concrete pump truck, concrete mixer truck, concrete mixing plant, concrete pump, and concrete placing boom. Its annual production capability is at the leading place in the small concrete machinery industry of China. Although the market is harsh, JIUHE Heavy Industry still rises to the challenges. The small concrete pump trucks, developed through innovation by itself with the features of foreign buildings involved, has filled many gaps on the international market, and the products have been exported to all over the world. The rapid development in the harsh environment has greatly changed the industrial competition structure and has won the leading position in the small pump truck industry. When it comes to innovation, people from JIUHE, who is on the front line of reform, are serious and persistent, with the guiding opinion of making innovation to expand the market and making the market to promote innovation. The V-Series concrete complete equipment was firstly created in JIUHE Heavy Industry aimed at foreign markets. The complete equipment covered mixing, transportation, and pumping. The equipment now has over 50 national patents, thorough overcoming the difficulties of concrete machinery being used in limited space and realizing the usage of commercial concrete in all building fields. In particular, it changes the backward construction mode, saves a great amount of labor cost, and makes contribution to the infrastructure construction in various districts and countries. Following the national call of energy saving and emission reduction, light and small concrete pump trucks and concrete mixer trucks are developed in JIUHE Heavy Industry that meet the requirements of the road laws and regulations newly put forward by the nation. Under the condition of transmitting 20% extra concrete than other trucks, the trucks can still run freely in the cities, comprehensively showing the flexibility and the light advantages and becoming the beautiful scenery line of the environmentally and friendly urban construction in China. With the market being constantly changing, the JIUHE people has never stopped to grasp the special construction conditions and needs for high-grade concrete of high-speed rail construction. They has developed the special small concrete pump trucks, particular for the high-speed rail construction, which can transmit the concrete under special construction conditions, shortening the construction period of the high-speed rail construction and making contribution to the international rail construction. We are not only going to be the pioneer of innovation, but also try to become the classic enterprise that lasts for a long time. We will put souls into the product, and the creation of value is our persistent goal. We always keep the customer orientation and try to provide the first-class product and service for the customers based on our lean management and the perfect combination of man and machinery. Craftsmanship is our permanent faith, and patience, attention persistence, and preciseness are the common qualities of JIUHE people. In our opinion, every piece of work is the reflection of craftsmanship in the venture history. Every step of JIUHE people is clearly marked on the schedule of the upgrading and iteration of enterprises. We will never give up on perfecting the quality of the product and controlling the processing, bringing the technology and the product from 99% to 99.99%. Since we have been pursuing competitive products and zero defects for many years, the high-quality product has established the great competitiveness of JIUHE in the harsh environment and has realized JIUHE's dream of becoming the leader in the industry. The hard work created the success. The outstanding achievements were created by self-improvement and hard endeavor of JIUHE people with the enterprise spirit of innovation, high efficiency, practicality, and with the enterprise culture of learning, openness, and containment. It's easy to achievement the short-term success, but it's difficult to maintain the long-term benign development. For the JIUHE heavy industry, facing the challenges is the right thing to do. Through 10 years of hard working and development, the dark horse in the industry now has the confidence and the capability to grab the opportunities in the process from made in China to created in China with the spirit of craftsmanship, making great contribution to the prosperity of China and to the industrial development of China. Demonstrate the beauty of science with great technology and lead the future of the world with great wisdom. JIUHE Heavy Industry invites you to share the achievements of science and technology and realize the glorious dreams. JIUHE Heavy Industry, the quality of China.